This is the Musicfly 2 Bluetooth speaker, an outdoor style speaker made by Poweradd. And today, let's check it out. The first impression I got when I received the speaker is that it's pretty large. You've got a box with the size of a small shoebox. We have the branding name and the picture of the speaker in the front, and we also have some specs and features on the back, along with some more pictures on the side. As we open the box, we can see the speaker is sitting in the middle of the cutout. On the side, we also have an accessory box. Inside, we can see a nice braided 3.5mm aux jack, the micro USB charging cable, and a user's manual printed in different languages. And there's nothing else in the box. Let's take a closer look at the speaker. It is constructed with rigid plastic housing, along with rubber bumpers all the way around. We also have metal mesh both in the front and the back. On the left side, we have a very thick carrying hook, and on the right side is your access port. In this port, we have the 3.5mm aux jack, the micro USB charging port, a full-size USB charge out port, along with 4 LED battery indicators. All the controls are on the top of the speaker with individual backlights. These are very large buttons and they feel secure and waterproof. On the left we have the power on and off, play pause or pairing button, volume up and down or the sound selection buttons, and the call buttons all the way on the right. You can kinda see under the front mesh we have 2 main drivers. We also have 2 tweeters on top of the main driver. And in the middle we have a passive radiator. We can also find a second passive radiator on the back as well. And now let's get right into the in-depth review of the Poweradd Musicfly 2 Bluetooth speaker. And I'll start with pros. I like the build quality of this speaker. It feels like it's built like a tank. It is waterproof, shockproof, and dustproof. Take a look at the rope hook on the speaker. It is so thick and heavy duty. Honestly, it looks like the rope coming from mountain climbing gear. The speaker gets very loud. They're not kidding about this 36-watt speaker. When the Musicfly plays at 50% volume, it is equivalent to some smaller speaker playing at 100% volume. At 100% volume, the speaker handles all frequency responses surprisingly well. Distortion is very minimal, bass reduction is also not significant. This is perfect if you want to play this thing loud in an outdoor environment. Thanks to 2 additional tweeters, which are normally missing in portable Bluetooth speakers, the Soundfly handles nicely from deep bass to crisp and clear treble. With my testing, I can tell you this speaker can play all the way down to 50 Hz while maintaining detailed high frequency responses. Attention to details is another great pros in this list and is absolutely worth to mention. Take a look at its watertight access door. Not only it's got double seal all the way around, there's also a metal plate inside the rubber material. Makes this access door very heavy, secure, and completely non-flexible. The only problem is that I can't get this door to close completely. As soon as I push it down, it'll just partially pop back up. I'm sure this is a manufacturer error only on this unit, but let me know if you have the same problem or not. The speaker supports power bank function as well. What's even better is that they put 4 LED battery indicators next to the charging port, so you can easily see how much battery life is left inside the speaker in case you plan to listen more and charge less. Audio delay is not very noticeable on the Musicfly. While testing the unit watching YouTube, Amazon Prime, and Netflix, the speaker syncs with the video nice and spot on. And here's a couple cons. The battery level indicators are all red color. It's sort of confusing when you're on the last bar with still 30 to 40% battery, and what you see is one red LED making you believe the battery is lower than what it actually is. It will be nice if the battery indicators are white and turns red when it detects low battery. Also, in my opinion, there's way too many notification tones during startup sequence. If they can reduce that to only 2 tones, that would be pretty ideal. And now I'm gonna play a piece of sound demo. Please use your headphones for better accuracy. Overall, this Poweradd Musicfly 2 is a very solid speaker that suits outdoor activities very well. The speaker also packs a serious punch, and the sound quality is actually absolutely substantial. So if you're looking for a good sounding speaker that can take a beating as well, I definitely recommend this one. If you need more information of the Poweradd Musicfly 2, click the link in the description box down below. Consider like and subscribe to the channel, and as always, I will see you next time.